In this video, I will show you how to install a new canopy over the entrance door. This canopy is located above a metal door. The walls are made of old red brick, and it is already many years old, about 40 years. Therefore, it needs to be replaced with a new modern one, made of metal tiles, the side parts of the canopy. I bought them as it is cheaper to buy than to make a new one from scratch, due to the high cost of forging. It consists of two parts, two reinforcements, transverse, and two longitudinal square profiles measuring 1.5 by 1.5 centimeters for attaching metal tiles or corrugated sheets. The old canopy is secured with such a bolted connection in 4 places. They need to be cut off using an angle grinder and then proceed with installing the new canopy. After dismantling the old canopy, we will start mounting the side parts of the new one on the wall. I will secure the new canopy using anchors with a diameter of 10 millimeters and a length of 110 millimeters. These are the anchors for the bolt. Then, using a construction level, we make a strictly vertical marking of the canopy's attachment points. Next, using a hammer drill and a 10 millimeter drill bit, we drill a hole for securing the anchors. Now we take the anchors and temporarily fix the side parts in the shade. Then, using a level from a long profile, we mark the attachment of the second side element. And we tighten the anchors using a 13 millimeter socket. After that, it is necessary to paint the framework and the sides. Before assembly, I use a 3-component black glossy paint, which is applied over rusty metal, and after 6 hours, everything can be assembled. We dilute it with white spirit to make it more fluid. And paint with a thin layer the side anchor parts of the future canopy. In the next step, we attach the cross profiles to the sides of the framework. And we screw the reinforcements onto the canopy at a distance of 60 centimeters. Now the main body of the canopy is ready, and all that's left is to attach the corrugated sheet or metal slate that we ordered. The metal tile is brown in color, with 1.20 mm in length, 1.20 mm, a perfect square. I will need 2 sheets. I will attach the metal profile to the frame using painted self-tapping screws for metal with a rubber washer, 2 cm, 5 mm in length. The self-tapping screw has a head size of 8mm, meaning the bit is standard here. All that's left is to place the metal tile on the frame and start screwing it in. Now it is necessary to screw the metal tile in such a way as not to miss the metal profile with the screw. To do this, we mark the center of the square profile from the end on one side and the other. And we draw dots in the dimples of the metal tile where the screws will be attached. And we attach the profile with screws according to the marks. Tighten gently to avoid deforming the rubber seal. Here, I've already started. Let's go over the front part and the back side near the wall. Now it is necessary to secure the bracket to the side post of the canopy. For this, we measure the distance from the post to the edge of the metal tile and transfer this measurement to the top for securing with a self-tapping screw. We use a screw attachment under the base, approximately in these places. The metal tile is tightly pressed against the profile, and now there will be no vibration. This is how the canopy turned out. Large and practical, and the doors with the threshold will no longer get wet in the rain.